Do you know your smartphone is millions of times more powerful than the Apollo 11 guidance computer? So here's the good news, you can program any types of Arduino board by using your powerful smart. Let's jump into it. Use any types of Arduino board that you have. In my opinion, I'm using Arduino Nano board. You need to an OTG cable communicate with Arduino to smartphone, and also need USB connection cable. Lastly, need a smartphone. Connect everything through this instruction. Now I'm going to turn on OTG. Go to Setting, Additional Setting, OTG, and turn on the OTG. Go to the Play Store and install an app called arduinodroid. Here it is. Click Install. After scanning, open it. Read all guidance if you want. Click the three dot, go to Setting, now board type, Arduino. Here I'm select Nano W 80MEGA328 old bootloader. If your board is Arduino Uno, then you select Uno. Again click three dot, then Sketch, then Example and Basic, and lastly click the Blink. That's it. Here's the Blink code that you need. First, you need to compile that code by clicking this icon. After compilation, click on this upload icon. Allow to access USB device. Uploading finished. Click Later. Well done! Now I'm showing some demo. If you want a more video like this, make sure to subscribe Zubairs Lab. Write down comment below what will you wanna see in the next video. Thanks for watching and love you all.